The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy J4 Core. So this is Samsung's second Android Go smartphone here. So I'm on Samsung mobile press thing here. So I'm gonna give you guys some specs on this phone and stuff like that. So this is an Android Go smartphone from Samsung. This is the second one. The first one was the Galaxy J2 Core. So this phone is gonna have, basic specs on it, obviously, because it's going to have a lot of versions of Android on there, so they keep it up much. This is what the phone looks like on the front there. The phone looks pretty nice. It has a 18:9 screen there. It's kind of hard to tell on this picture here, but it does have an 18:9 screen there. You guys have a front-facing camera flash, I believe, and the front-facing camera earpiece. And you have software keys there. Left side volume button, right side power button there. So on the back of the J4 Core, you guys have camera flash, Samsung logo, and then that's about it there. There's the back of it there again. The battery is not removable, so your SIM and SD card tray is on the left side, so the battery is not removable, guys, so keep that in mind. So the Galaxy J4 Core has a 6-inch display. It's HD plus, it's TFT at 720 by 1480 pixels. Sort of specs here. Phone weighs 127 grams. So yeah, the display, like I said, it's 6-inch display there, which is pretty nice. It is HD plus, it's TFT, it's a no AMOLED, so your basic screen display there. It's 720 by 1480 pixels. It has 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, both with f2.2 aperture lens. It has 1 GB of RAM, 16 GB of ROM, and a micro SD card slot up to 512 gigs. Keep in mind this is running the Android Go, so that's why this RAM is low and the ROM is low, so keep that in mind. It has a 3,300 mAh battery, so that's pretty good. It has Android 8.1 Oreo Go edition, of course, and it has a 1.4 GHz quad-core processor. I don't know what the chipset is. Probably Snapdragon, maybe Exynos. Your connectivity on the Galaxy J4 Core is Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN. Your standard Wi-Fi there, so nothing special. Bluetooth 4.2, USB 2.0 charging. So there is no Type-C. It has GPS, of course. It has all that, and has a accelerometer and proximity sensor, and it has the vid formats there. I believe they record in HD videos. I know they record in HD. I don't know if it's 720 on both cameras or if it's Full HD on both cameras. I'm not really sure. So yeah, they both do have camera flashes. However, the cameras do. So it's available in several colors. It's available in several freaking colors. So you got blue, you got black, you got gray, you got like a silverish color. I think it's available in 3 colors. You got black, blue, and gray color there, and you got like a light blue color. I'm a big fan of the black one. I'm not a fan of the blue color, just not. But that's just my opinion. So I don't know how much this phone is going to be, because when Samsung announced this phone, they did not announce price or release date, so it should be available soon. If I were to give the price thing, if I were to get like a price range on this thing, I'd say it'd be cheap, obviously, because it's Android Go. I'd say between $50 and $150. I would say between $50 and $150. I'm pushing more towards the 3 figures here, because if this one's $50, get the bits. Yeah, but I'm pushing more towards the 3 figures, because I don't think it's around $50, but you never know. Like I said, I'm gonna say it's between $50 and $150 for the Galaxy J4 Core. Specs on here are, it is what it is, guys. It's It is what it is. This is an Android Go smartphone. I don't know if this phone's going to be released on the US carrier or not. I don't know. I do think the phone will be available to purchase in the US, but don't know if it's going to a US carrier, so keep that in mind. So if you guys want to try out this phone when it's released in the US, you guys can buy it unlocked and use it on a US carrier if you guys want to. But I do like the wallpaper there. It's kind of vibrant and colorful and all that. I do like the screen size, the battery. I like the fact that it has a camera flash on front and back, and I like the fact that it has a micro SD card slot. But like I said, this is an Android Go smartphone, so you do have to keep the specs in mind though. This is not a flagship phone. This is a budget phone. This is a basic phone, so keep that in mind. So basically light version of Android 8.1 Oreo Go edition, of course, so you get all the Go apps on this thing. I think it has like the Go edition. I think it has like the Android Go UI. I don't think it has TouchWiz or anything on there, or I don't think it has a Samsung interface. I don't think so, but I could be wrong. So yeah, there it is. That's the Samsung Galaxy J4 Core. This is an Android Go smartphone. It's gonna be released soon, I believe, to the US. The price range, like I said, I don't know what the exact price is, because Samsung did not release any information when they announced the phone. So like I said, I think it's between $50 and $150. Obviously, I pretty much nailed it there, but I'm pushing more towards the 3 figures on the price and detail there. So yeah, what did you guys think about the Samsung Galaxy J4 Core? We'll let you guys try this phone out. So that's pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.